Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you some tips for air travel with babies. Traveling with little ones can be a bit of an adventure, and when it comes to air travel, being prepared is essential. But don't worry, I've thought of everything. In this video, I'll tell you how to make flying with your baby easy and fun. If you're ready, let's get started. Friends, the most important thing before going on a plane trip is packing. Packing everything your baby needs is essential for a comfortable trip. Now take a deep breath and let's become packing champions. First, don't forget a change of clothes. Babies are full of surprises. I recommend packing at least 3 or 4 outfits. Diapers and wipes are a must. Pack plenty in your suitcase. Space can be tight on a plane, so it's good to be prepared. Toys, books, snacks. Pack everything to keep your baby entertained. Things to keep them occupied throughout the journey are lifesavers. Friends, pay attention to the flight time when buying plane tickets. Choosing a flight that fits your baby's sleep schedule is much better for both of you. For example, if your baby sleeps at 8 in the evening, boarding a 7 o'clock flight is not a good idea. If possible, choose a flight close to your baby's bedtime. This way they can sleep on the plane and you can rest too. If you can find a night flight, great! While your baby sleeps, you can watch a movie, read a book, or take a nap. Babies' ears can be bothered during takeoff and landing. But don't worry, as super parents we can handle this too. Breastfeeding or bottle feeding your baby during takeoff and landing helps balance the pressure in their ears. You can also give a pacifier or water besides breastfeeding or bottle feeding. This makes them swallow, preventing ear blockage. If your baby cries, stay calm and try to comfort them. Remember, this is temporary and everything will be alright. Comfort is very important on a plane journey, especially for little ones. Dressing your baby in comfortable layered clothing allows you to be prepared for temperature changes on the plane. Cotton fabrics with their breathable and sweat-absorbing properties are the best option. The advantage of dressing in layers is that you can take clothes off and put them on when the temperature changes on the plane. Several thin layers on top of each other are more useful than a thick sweater. Also, choose clothes that are easy to take off and put on. Changing clothes in airplane toilets can be difficult, so being practical is important. Air travel can be boring for babies, so take plenty of toys and fun things with you. A new toy can hold your baby's attention for a long time. You can also take their favorite books, crayons, and paper. If your baby plays with a tablet or phone, you can download cartoons or educational videos for them. Remember, air travel should be enjoyable for you and your baby, so be prepared and enjoy the journey. I hope these tips make traveling with a baby easier and more enjoyable. The important thing is to stay calm and enjoy the journey. Enjoy these special moments you'll spend with your baby. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications to be notified of new videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.